Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, today let's get to know the international program in Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering together. The international program in Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering is a 4-year undergrad degree program entirely conducted in English. The program is divided into two major subjects for us to choose from, which are Mechanical Engineering and Aeronautical Engineering. We study in an integrated manner, acquiring knowledge in various areas so that we can graduate and work in fields related to both mechanical engineering and aeronautical engineering. For example, the works related to designing and constructing machinery, controlling, installing, and maintaining machinery, including heating and fluid systems. Also, the works related to design aircraft components and mechanism, controlling, installing, and maintaining aircraft, as well as planning work related to aeronautical engineering. In the first year, we will study fundamental subjects such as mathematics, science, general education, and basic engineering drawing. Moving to second year, we will dive into core engineering topics such as statics, manufacturing process, thermodynamics, engineering mechanics, and fluid mechanics. In the third and fourth years, we will focus on compulsory engineering courses to gain specialized knowledge and skills relevant to our chosen career paths. In mechanical engineering, we will study specific subjects such as fundamental skill in mechanical system design, machine dynamics, and automatic control systems to ensure efficient machine operation. We will also cover topics related to heat and fluid, for example, heat transfer, internal combustion engines, refrigeration and air conditioning, and power plant engineering. Meanwhile, in aeronautical engineering, we will learn basic skills related to aircraft including basic flight training, aerodynamics, aircraft structure design and material selection, aircraft component design and testing, aircraft control and maintenance. Additionally, the program offers elective engineering courses for us to explore based on our interests such as automotive engineering, rail system, computer-aided analysis, data analysis, and unmanned aircraft. In addition to learning theoretical principles in the classroom, our program also emphasizes on practical learning and group work experiences. Once we graduated, we will have a wide range of opportunities in both mechanical engineering and aeronautical engineering fields, spanning nearly every industry. These include roles such as designing and constructing machinery, controlling machinery, machinery maintenance, manufacturing air conditioning and refrigeration system, and installing plumbing and ventilation systems in buildings, among others. In aeronautical engineering, we can work on designing aircraft components and mechanisms, controlling, installing, and maintaining aircraft both in public sector and within the aviation industry. The program helps us feel more confident before starting the real work through pre-co-op subject. This gives us a chance to work in the jobs related to our field in actual workplace. In addition to studying, we also participate in various activities, both university-wide and within our field of study, to learn how to interact with others and engage with the community. Before graduation, we have the opportunity to go on educational visits to real companies and gain practical work experience through internships, which typically last for one academic semester, allowing us to learn firsthand about real-world work environments. And all of this is us, the international program in Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering. See you there.
Alright, maayad-ayad na gabi, or should I say, sawadee-kap everyone. I am Mike Ryan Palmaera, or Mike, your Filipino Royal Scholar recipient batch 2021, and currently a fourth-year student taking up the Innovative Agripreneur Program.
Magandang gabi, I'm Christina from Petrochemical and Polymer Engineering Program, and I'm here again and for another fantastic and for the last episode of our SUT Open House Live 2025.
That's right. It's already our last week of SUT Open House Live, and we hope our aspirants gain insightful information on several programs that SUT International Program offers. Yet, the party is not over, folks. We're so excited to continue showcasing what makes the SUT an incredible place to study with our last faculty that will showcase their majors later on. If you've been with us since the first episode, welcome back. And if this is your first time tuning in, you're definitely in for a treat.
This time, we're diving into the fascinating world of mechanical and aeronautical engineering. And if you've ever dreamed of designing advanced machinery, innovating robotics, or even working on the future of aviation, then this episode is for you. Stick around because we have a lot to share.
That's right, Tina. The SUT Royal Scholarship has been opening doors for ASEAN students for years, which aims to help them globally competitive while starting their international education journey just like us. But before we dive deep into that, how does it feel that graduation rites and the midterm exams are upcoming in the next few weeks?
There's so much happening to my schedule lately, Mike. With midterms coming up, students are in full preparation mode for the midterms. But one of the biggest highlights this term is the graduation march of our Royal Scholar seniors. Watching them walk the stage after years of dedication is such a proud and inspiring moment. It really motivates me to keep pushing forward in my own academic journey. What about you? Anything exciting in your end?
Well, speaking of graduation, I was chosen to be part of the audience with Her Royal Highness during my freshman year, which is a phenomenal experience of mine. It's such an honor to be in the same place as the princess and witness how graduation rites were conducted here. Moreover, midterms exams were truly a nerve-wracking moment for every SUT student, and our international students could testify to that. But wait, there's more. Sunken Festival is upcoming in the next few weeks after midterms exams, so there will be a time for our students to have fun and relax as well.
Yes, Mike, I am very excited for our Songkran holidays. Being part of SUT community is such an incredible experience, Mike, right? The support here is truly exceptional, and I can't wait for our viewers to see what makes SUT stand out. We understand that applying for scholarships and studying abroad can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, we're here to guide you and make the process much easier.
That's definitely right, Tina. If you've been dreaming of pursuing at one of Thailand's top universities, this is your chance. SUT is offering not only 5, but 20 full undergraduate scholarships for the 2025 academic year covering 4 different programs. If you're watching and thinking, I will be part of this, then you're already on the right track. Don't forget to register for the event, and you'll find the link and QR code on your screen. And don't forget to please comment down in our comment section down below. And if you have any questions and inquiries, let us know where you're watching by using the hashtag SUT Open House Live 2025.
And if you're considering SUT for your studies, this open house is the perfect chance to discover what we offer. From top-notch international programs and fully funded scholarships to student life and future career opportunities, we're giving you an exclusive look at why SUT is more than just a university. It's a launchpad for the success.
Now, of those of you tuning into the SUT Open House live event, this is already the last week of our live event, guys. We've covered civil engineering, petrochemical and polymer engineering, and innovative agripreneur in the previous episodes. But don't worry, you can catch the live broadcast on the CIA SUT YouTube channel.
Tonight, we're putting the spotlight on a field that drives innovation and transforms industries, mechanical and aeronautical engineering. This faculty prepares students for exciting careers in mechanical design, robotics, aerospace technology, and beyond. Whether you're interested in building next-generation vehicles, improving energy systems, or exploring aerodynamics, this program has so much to offer. But before we get into the details, let's take a look at what makes Serenary University of Technology a leader in engineering and innovation.
Serenary University of Technology, innovate the future.
Let's take a moment to explore Serenary University of Technology, or SUT. Established in 1990, this institution is located in Nakhon Ratchasima province and is named after the heroic Tau Serenary, adding historical significance to its identity. SUT is recognized as one of Thailand's national research universities with a strong focus on science, technology, and entrepreneurship. With a commitment to innovation and sustainability, SUT is shaping the future through groundbreaking research and forward-thinking innovation.
Serenary University of Technology is nestled in the heart of Nakhon Ratchasima province, wherein the campus offers a sprawling green campus and is easily accessible via 4 main gates and a significant 11-kilometer outer ring road. SUT's strategic location within Thailand showcases its main university area, residential zones, sports complex, and research park, all contributing to a comprehensive and vibrant learning environment. With its marked address, SUT invites students and visitors to experience its commitment to a clean, innovative, and well-connected academic community right here in Serenary.
Now let's take a virtual tour of SUT. You'll notice number markers that highlight key locations across the campus. For instance, number 4 represents Serenary Gate, the university gate where students buy food and stuff that they need. And we have our classroom building 1, which is where the students go and have their classes. Here in SUT, we provide a vibrant and engaging environment where students can thrive both academically and socially.
Now let's talk about the vibrant academic community at Serenary University of Technology. With a total student population of 16,358 encompassing undergraduate, master's, and doctoral levels, SUT boasts a significant academic presence, supported by 559 academic staff and 919 supporting staff. The university spans a single, expansive campus of 1,100 hectares or 2,700 acres, fostering a comprehensive learning environment. Furthermore, SUT's commitment to internationalization is evident in its diverse community, hosting 221 students, 18 faculty members, and 13 researchers from 15 different countries, creating a global atmosphere right here in the heart of the Northeast. For more detailed student statistics, you can refer on the provided link.
And this is our chart that gives a comprehensive overview of SUT's structure. You'll see its key divisions, including academic institutes, research and development, and enterprise units. These components work together to drive innovation, support cutting-edge research, and enhance community engagement.
Serenity University Technology or SUT's impressive rankings and achievements across various global platforms reinforce its position as a leading institution here in Serenity. Notably, SUT achieved first place in the UI Green Metric World University Rankings in 2024 and Thailand for the Impact Rankings 2024, demonstrating its strong commitment to sustainability, particularly in waste management and specific sustainable development goals. Also, the university secured positions in the World University Rankings 2025, the Young University Rankings 2024, and the Asia University Rankings 2024, showcasing its consistent performance and recognition on both regional and international levels. These achievements underscore SUT's dedication to academic excellence and its impact on global sustainability initiatives right here in the heart of SUT.
As you can see, SUT is home to multiple centers of excellence, each dedicated to advancing research and innovation in critical areas. From biomedical sciences to advanced materials technology, these centers contribute significantly to both academic advancements and real-world applications.
SUT has diverse and impactful research areas, emphasizing its strength as a hub for innovation here in Nakhon Ratchasima. SUT boasts the largest engineering faculty in Thailand, encompassing fields like civil, electrical, mechanical, and materials engineering, alongside robust research in science and technology, including physics, quantum technology, and chemistry. The university also excels in agricultural biotechnology, food technology, and aquaculture, as well as health sciences, focusing on biomechanics, tropical diseases, and community care. These diverse research areas showcase SUT's commitment to advancing knowledge and addressing critical challenges across multiple disciplines, contributing to the region's development and beyond.
As you can see, these are the academic institutions in SUT. We have 9 institutes, which are first the Institute of Engineering, next Institute of Science, Institute of Agricultural and Technology, Institute of Social Technology, Institute of Medicine, Institute of Nursing, Institute of Public Health, Institute of Dentistry, and lastly, Institute of Digital Arts and Science. And for the facilities, we have the school, learning space, university hospital, university farm, entrepreneurship academy, and lastly, we have the Technopolis.
The university's academic calendar highlights its trimester system for the 2025-2026 academic year here in Serenity. Students at SUT follow a structured schedule beginning with the first trimester from July to October 2025, followed by the second trimester from October 2025 to February 2026, and concluding with the third trimester from February to June 2026. This clear breakdown of the academic year provides students with a well-defined framework for their studies, ensuring a consistent and organized learning experience right here at SUT.
As you can see, SUT has a strong international connections. With 157 partnerships across 28 countries, students have incredible opportunities to participate in exchange programs, collaborative research, and global learning experiences. These partnerships allow students to broaden their academic and professional horizons on an international scale.
Now for our undergraduate international program, we have a civil engineering program, mechanical and aeronautical engineering program, petrochemical and polymer engineering program, and innovative agripreneur program. So if you're interested, the Royal Scholarship grants are still open for the courses mentioned.
Thinking about pursuing a master's or doctoral degree, SUT offers a wide range of graduate programs, including a unique double degree program in collaboration with the University of Birmingham. Whether you're looking to specialize in research or expand on your professional expertise, SUT provides flexible and high-quality academic pathways.
Now, here's an estimated overview of tuition fees at Serenity University of Technology. Based on an exchange rate of $1 to 35 baht, for a 4-year undergraduate program, students can expect approximately $6,300 or 220,500 Thai baht. A 2-year master's program is estimated at $4,700 or 164,500 Thai baht. While a 3-year doctoral program is projected to cost around $8,500 or 297,500 Thai baht. These figures offer a prospective students the general idea of the financial investment required for their education at SUT, with more detailed and up-to-date information available through the provided website link down below on your screens.
SUT's Global Camp offer a variety of learning experiences for students interested in entrepreneurship, social innovation, and hands-on projects. These programs are designed to enhance skills, expand networks, and provide real-world applications of classroom knowledge. So we have this SUT Global Camp and Global Project-Based Learning for around like 7 to 10 days.
NCT's cooperative education and career development opportunities, highlighting its focus on international experiences for students here in SUT. The university emphasizes building international friendships throughout the study period, offering strong entrepreneurship flagship programs and providing diverse exchange programs, short courses, living camps, and excursions. A key feature is the co-op program, which includes partnerships with international institutions, allowing students to gain valuable real-world experience and broaden their global perspectives right here in Nakhon Ratchasima. This comprehensive approach aims to equip students with the skills and connections necessary for success in an increasingly interconnected world.
Of course, life at SUT isn't just about academics. It's about embracing a well-rounded student experience. The university provides a supportive environment, diverse extracurricular activities, and excellent facilities to ensure students thrive both inside and outside the classroom.
Dormitory options at SUT here in Serenary Nakasima, Thailand are available for students. Students have the choice of a normal room, which costs 2,900 Thai baht per term, or a room with air conditioning for 6,500 Thai baht per term. Both options are located within the on-campus dormitory complex known as Suaniwet, providing convenience and accessible housing for students during their studies at SUT.
Do you want to get involved? SUT has something for everyone. Whether you're into sports, cultural events, or academic clubs, there are plenty of opportunities to engage with the community, develop new skills, and build lifelong friendships.
Here are some of the international student activities that SUT offers. Activities include basic Thai language classes, the SUT Intercup sports event, the SUT Food Fest, walk trails, one-day trips, and cultural events, among many others. These diverse offerings aim to provide international students with opportunities for cultural immersion, social engagement, and a well-rounded experience during their time at the university.
SUT makes the transition for international students smooth and stress-free. Through its Center for International Affairs, students receive support with airport pickup, on-campus housing, and visa-related assistance. The goal is to help you settle in comfortably so you can focus on what truly matters, your education and personal growth.
Now, for more information about SUT International Program or SUT in general, feel free to contact SUT International Affairs with any questions or inquiries by the contact details on your screen.
There you have it, Serenary University of Technology, shaping the next generation of entrepreneurial and innovative leaders. Now let's see what our online community are saying.
I think, Tina, our online community are still thinking of what to comment, and at the same time, I think they're still engaged. So how does it feel for you to be hosting the SUT Open House Live for the second time right now, Tina?
Actually, yeah, I'm still quite nervous because I'm not used to like being a host. So thank you for this opportunity, CIA, for giving this kind of opportunity to me for like being a host for this open house 2025. How about you, Mike? How are you today? Are you feeling great?
Yeah, I'm feeling great. Actually, the weather in SUT right now is really, really good. It's not too hot, yet not too cold. And at the same time, I think the students could also enjoy the weather that is happening with SUT right now, especially with the blossoms of the flowers in our university campus.
So are you excited for for the upcoming graduations? Like we will see our seniors from the Philippines.
Definitely, I'm excited not only for our seniors in the Philippines, but also the initiation rites that every faculty prepared in the graduation rites that will be happening later on next week.
Wow, you're all amazing. Thanks for the great comments, guys. Keep them coming using the hashtag SUT Open House Live 2025. Ready to see SUT in action? Let's dive into this video and experience student life firsthand.
All right. The experience of studying at SUT is truly an experience you shouldn't miss, especially for those dreaming of studying abroad and starting their international student journey without the financial burden. Isn't that right, Tina?
Absolutely, Mike. There's so much to do here at SUT. With all the activities, facilities, and opportunities available, it's like everything you need is right here. Who knows, if there was a mall inside the university, we might never leave the campus.
I definitely agree, but aside from that, there are also plenty of camps and other activities that you can join outside the university. all with the full support of the university and CIA. It's great to have the chance to explore beyond campus and still feel connected to the SUT community.
I agree. Now it's my pleasure to introduce the outstanding individuals who represent the best of the mechanical and aeronautical faculty at SUT, our royal scholars. Let's give them a warm welcome as they introduce themselves.
All right, good evening, scholars from MAE. Could you guys introduce yourself to our live viewers?
Sure, Mike. Mingalava, good evening, everyone. I am Concepto from Myanmar, and you can call me Sam. I'm a third-year student who is currently studying Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering, majoring in Aeronautical Engineering and a RISE scholarship in SUT. This is my third time as a speaker for the SUT Open House Live, and it still makes me excited to share this great opportunity with you.
Okay, so Mingalawachi. Good evening, everyone. I am Stella, and I'm from Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering, and now I'm in my second year. So this is my first time sharing my experience and information about RISE scholarship. So I will share about how the university life here is rather than academic activities, and also the tips and tricks for your scholarship application. So stay tuned.
Mingalava. Good evening, everyone. I'm Pansukan from Myanmar. I am a second-year Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering student. This is a great honor to represent our program for the very first time at the SUT Open House, and I'm excited to share the information to you all today. So stay tuned. See you later.
Mabuhay. Good evening, everyone. My name is Patrick Oliver Montano, currently a first-year student studying Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering. I'm thrilled to be part of this event, especially since it's my first time participating in SUT Open House. So thank you so much for welcoming me, and I hope you're excited for this upcoming information.
All right, thank you so much, Mechanical and Aeronautical Royal Scholars. We'll see you guys later on. Now, let's move forward and dive into the guidelines for the Royal Scholarship for academic year 2025.
If you want to know more about Royal Scholarship 2025 guide, then make sure to stick around.
So today we're gonna talk about what is Royal Scholarship, the number of Royal Scholarship that they offer, international programs, the qualifications, the date that you guys should remember, how to apply, frequently asked questions, and the contact details if you have any questions.
About this scholarship, Her Royal Highness the Princess has endorsed to support international education cooperative development programs for students in ASEAN countries to succeed in higher education levels in Serenity University Technology, which offers the scholarship support with the Royal Initiative Project to contribute to the ASEAN country students who desire to pursue their bachelor's degree in an international program at SUT since 2017.
In this Royal Scholarship 2025, 5 scholarships for each programs, total of 20 scholarships will be offered to our ASEAN students. If you guys are interested, here are some of the majors that are offering the Royal Scholarship undergraduate programs. We have Civil Engineering, Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering, Petrochemical and Polymer Engineering, and last but not the least, Innovative Agripreneur Program.
These are again the international programs which they offer 5 scholarships. First is the Bachelor in Engineering and Civil Engineering, the Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering. Next is Petrochemical and Polymer Engineering, and lastly the Innovative Agripreneur.
So here are the applicant qualifications if you guys are interested. First is you must have a completed study in high school grade 12 or equivalent or expected to complete by May 2025. Have an outstanding academic performance, have a good command in English, and be an ASEAN country citizen such as countries from Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, and Vietnam. So if you guys were interested, the application for Royal Scholarship is still open, guys.
So these are our scholarship benefits. We have the tuition fees for free for 4 years. We have the on-campus accommodation, health and insurance, health and accident insurance, and lastly, we have the monthly allowance of 4,000 a month.
So here are the important dates that you guys should remember. Application deadline will be closing on March 31, 2025, and the candidates that will be selected for an online interview will be on early April 2025. Interview date will be on to be confirmed on April 2025, and announcement of successful candidates will be on May 2025. Note, the online interview will be conducted in English by the admission committee. Failure to participate, the applicant will be considered withdrawn from the Royal Scholarship Program.
So how to apply the Royal Scholarship? First, you go to our website, which is like at the you can saw it right at the screen. You click the menu and the Royal Scholarship 2025 and click Apply Now. Next is to select your program, which are the CE, MAE, PPE, and IA. And next is you complete your personal information. And lastly, select Royal Scholarship 2025 to complete the application. For additional note, applicant must pay the application fee of 1,000 baht or around 30,000 US dollars because SUT has like no waiver if there will be like accident will happen.
So how to apply? To upload the required documents via the website, such as a passport copy, high school certificate copy, transcript copy, standard English course if you have any, such as TOEIC, TOEFL, IELTS, and also an upload essay, which the essay template can be found on the website.
And next, we also have our statement of purpose, which is around 500 to 600 words, which like the question is you need to answer is why you want to study in SUT International Program. And next is what is the most challenging thing in your life and what you did to overcome such obstacle. And lastly, you will have to introduce yourself in a video for around 1 to 2 minutes.
So for more details about the registration for the SUT Royal Scholarship Program, you can click or you can search by following the link that can be seen on your screens.
For these frequently asked questions, can I apply without passport? Of course, you can apply and you can use your citizen ID. And next is, can I apply without an English score? Of course, yes, you can still apply because English score is optional. And if you're still studying in university, can I still apply? Of course, you can still apply because the basic requirement is like graduated from high school study. And if you're not from ASEAN, you, actually you cannot apply because the scholarship is just for the ASEAN member countries only. And lastly, if you withdraw the scholarship, if there will be consequences. No, there will be like no consequences because there is no commitment for the withdrawal.
So for more details about the SUT Royal Scholarship, feel free to contact interadmission at g.sut.ac.th or the following contact details found on your screens, such as via website, Facebook, or by calling them if you have the tie number as well. So feel free and see you guys later on. Wow. Upon reading those, Tina, it brings me back to the time wherein I was still applying for the SUT Royal Scholarship and the TENS. And especially like the pressure is still nerve-wracking. Right, Tina?
Yes, Mike,
I can still remember my video is like, my hair is color red, and I'm worried like they will not accept me because my hair is red.
In my time, it's the internet connection that is really the challenging part. But yeah, luckily I'm here in SUT and bringing you guys the chance to also study just like us. So now I can feel the energy building up and our Royal Scholars are all set to take on this amazing challenge. Now let's check out the online conversation and see what our aspiring scholars are saying.
From Marvin Carrion, this open house looks great. Loving the tour and the info.
Next one is we have from Justin Earl Hapitan. Let's end the SUT Open House 2025 with a bang. Definitely that we're gonna end this on a good note as well.
The online community is buzzing with questions and inquiries. Don't worry, we'll be answering more of them later, so keep those comments coming, everyone. And remember to use the hashtag SUT Open House Live 2025 to get your questions heard.
Now let's get into the world of MAE. Now let's dive into the world of robotics and aircraft structures. Ever wondered what it is like to study in this dynamic field? We'll explore everything from academic life to the exciting career opportunities that awaits. To help us out, we're bringing in our students from the Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering faculty. Let's give a warm welcome to Pansu. Pansu is here to help us understand the fundamentals of MAE and what it means for your academic and professional future.
Okay. Good evening, everyone, again. Today, I will be introducing you to the Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering International Program to study at Sukarno University of Technology in Thailand. And our program offers a bachelor degree of engineering in Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering. Unlike other universities, our university follows the trimester system, and so does our program. As you might have noticed in the headline here, Mechanical and Aeronautical, of course, students have to choose of their professional career in mechanical engineering or aeronautical engineering. So whether you choose ME or Aero, both of them are designed to be completed in 4 academic years. So to graduate, you have to get at least 188 credits, and the tuition fee is around 200,000 Thai baht for our program. So I mentioned 188 credits required to complete the program in the previous slide, and here I want to break it down to show you how the credits are integrated in our program. First, general elective courses distribute 18 credits, and I will again mention some of them later. Next, business, math, and science courses for 38 credits, business engineering courses for 30 credits, engineering professional courses for 56 credits, combining with 32 credits for common major and 24 for major courses. Common courses are for both mechanical and aeronautical. Like we have to take general elective courses, technical elective courses are also mandatory and total of 9 credits. For cooperative education, we will get 9 credits. Last but not least, free elective courses for 8 credits. Here, general elective and free elective are not the same. General elective courses are already specified and you can choose the best one for you, but free electives are not specified for you, so you can choose any courses from different majors and different programs. And I want to share the overview course outline of our program by breaking it down year by year. As you can see on the screen, year 1 students study just the foundation courses. So in year 1, all international engineering students must study the same courses as the only one class. And you reach to year 2 and you study the core mechanical and aeronautical engineering courses and advanced engineering courses in year 3. Lastly, in year 4, you have to do the cooperative education and capstone project, which is the engineering profession project to accomplish your bachelor degree. So in the mechanical engineering course structure, there are general and free elective courses including social science and humanity courses such as citizenship and global studies, life skills, ASEAN studies, and many more. So even though you are at the engineering students, you still have many options to explore other fields by studying those courses. And then of course you should have foundation STEM knowledge. So you have to learn calculus 1, 2, 3, physics 1, 2, and engineering courses like engineering statics and dynamics, thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, and then others as well. In your 3rd year, you are about to dive into the depths of your professional courses. For example, like essential mechanical drawing tools like AutoCAD and SolidWorks and CATIA, which is the technical elective for us. If you are a master at these tools and Internet of Things, many sports in the workplace are waiting for you after you graduate. Last but not least, in your 4th year, you go for the cooperative education and finish your capstone project to graduate. And yay, congratulations, finally you are a mechanical engineering graduate. And in aeronautical engineering, there are different courses with mechanical which contribute 24 credits. Of course, there are meta courses, for instance, aircraft design and aircraft mechanics. Other courses are the same with mechanical engineering since year one. So, as I mentioned earlier, you have to officially choose your career and professional path in your second year, mechanical or aeronautical. It is important and thus you have to think thoroughly for your passion and dreams and ask yourself like what do I really want to do as a career, and I'm sure you will find the right track. So, if you choose mechanical engineering as your professional field, you will dive deeper into robotics, automotive engineering, energy systems, and manufacturing process. You will learn how to design, analyze, and innovate mechanical systems that are crucial to industries worldwide. But on the other hand, if you take the path to be a professional in aeronautics, you have to learn how to design aircraft systems and parts and study mandatory courses like flight mechanics and many more. Here in the Aerometer as well, you should be able to design, analyze, and bring innovative ideas in the aeronautical field. Okay, the most exciting and interesting part in our program has come. There are the opportunities, I mean unique opportunities, while you are studying in Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering International Program at SUT. Actually, there are many advantages and opportunities for you, but here I want to mention three of them. The first one is the chance to do the cooperative education at the University of Victoria in Canada. Of course, you can choose any companies or any research centers or any institutions for your cooperative education, but this is a big chance for you as a SUT student. The next one is 2 plus 2 year double degree program for only mechanical and aeronautical engineering students from SUT to study at the University of Birmingham, England. So if you are interested in studying at two universities in Asia and Europe for your bachelor degree, our program is the right choice for you. And last but not least again, if you are willing to do your own startup or business with a mechanical or aeronautical engineering field, we have something special to offer you with a minor entrepreneurship track. So then you have to study mechanical aeronautical engineering together with business and entrepreneurship. What a great option for you, right? So we are waiting for you to give these opportunities to you. Yeah, after you know about our program thoroughly, I'm sure you also want to know about the admission requirements for 2025 intake for the international students. You do not have to hold fancy certificates or achievements. What we expect from you is you have passion in the STEM field and completed studies in science and mathematics programs. Finish at least 12 grade 12 education or equivalent with outstanding academic performance. And as you study at the international program, you also should possess good command in English, at least B1 or IELTS band score 5 is fine. If you have these qualifications, we have the spots for you in our program. So don't forget to apply for it, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all in the coming academic year. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pansu. The Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering program at SCT offers an exciting pathway for students passionate about robotics, aerospace, and cutting-edge engineering solutions. Again, a huge thank you to Pansu for sharing such valuable insights. And before we jump to the next part of our session, let's take a moment to check off some of the comments from our online communities.
I think so far we don't have any questions, and it's first time for SUT Open House Live, Tina. But I think it's also like the first time also for ME to become MAE, right?
Yeah,
I think it's just started in our batch of the MAE, the Mechanical and Aeronautical. If you were be like MAE, which will you choose, mechanical or aeronautical?
Definitely, I'll choose mechanical. How about you? If you're gonna choose between mechanical or aeronautical, what you're gonna choose?
Actually, for me, if I'll be like, I just want the aeronautical because it sounds so good. Because aero, you're in the space, so it sounds really good, right?
That's a good choice also, but I think let's go back to our session right now. So
We have like
we're
we're just getting started,
guys.
because
We
we
don't
don't
have
have
a
a
comment
comment
yet.
yet. But if you have comment, oh, just like Put it down below. And for our viewers who are already eager to learn more about the incredible opportunities with the MAE program at SET, keep those questions coming and the comments also, and everyone drop them. And don't forget to use the hashtag SUT Open House Live 2025.
Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering truly provides a unique blend of knowledge that prepares students for impactful careers in both robotics and aircraft-based industry. Now let's move on to the next part of our session. To take us through MAE Student Life, let me introduce our amazing speakers, Stella and Patrick. Stella and Patrick will share insights on what it's like to be a student here at SUT, from campus facilities to exciting activities and student life. So get ready to explore everything from SUT's top-notch facilities, student clubs and activities, to what it means to be a Royal Scholar in your faculty.
So, all right. Good evening, everyone, again. So, let me take you around how is life outside the classroom. So, to enrich campus experience, we have many academic clubs to join, such as flying clubs and robot clubs, and also at term breaks, the school offers a blog course about helicopter design and pilot training as well, which would definitely boost your career path. And what other activities could you enjoy along your 4 years of college life? Well, during every term break, we have a short blog course called Global Project Based Learning or GPBL, where you can meet up with new friends from different countries and do projects concerned with sustainable development goals or technology and innovation as well. It usually takes around a week. You will get a chance to go to different relaxing places to refresh your mind, and I'm sure that it will be a wonderful experience traveling together with your friends. Recently, it was held in Pattaya City, and many participants reviewed that they not only gain experience, knowledge, improvement in teamwork, and networking, but also taste the culture of life in Pattaya City as well. And another camp called SUT Global Entrepreneurship Camp, which is held by SETA, is also a great opportunity that should not be missed. If you're interested in making a startup, generating a business idea, and be an entrepreneurship, then this camp is definitely made for you. Joining this camp will help you develop essential business skills, gain hands-on experience in problem solving, and expand your international network. You'll collaborate with diverse teams, receive mentorship from experts, and explore innovative solutions, enhancing your entrepreneurial mindset and global perspective as well. So, rather than academic activities, Center for International Affairs also arranged day trips to nearby tourist attractions in the Nakhon Ratchasima. So let's see. Our first stop is Jin Thompson Farm, a breathtaking agriculture attraction known for its vibrant flower fields, organic farms, and rich cultural heritage. So, as we explore the farm, we will witness the stunning sunflower and cosmos fields, perfect for capturing beautiful memories. The farm is also home to traditional Eastern style houses where we can learn about silk production and the history of Jim Thompson, a key figure in Thailand's silk industry. And also, you can also enjoy local delicacies and fresh organic produce while embracing the serene country ambience. Next, we head to Klong Plagang Trail, a peaceful natural trail surrounded by lush greenery and a refreshing stream. So the scenic trail offers students a chance to unwind, breathe in the fresh air, and reconnect with nature. It's a perfect spot for relaxation, mindfulness, and group bonding, providing a break from your academic pressures. So, other international activities throughout the year? Of course, English startup event where you can make Thai friends and other ASEAN friends. Communicating with them in English language would sound wonderful, right? Moreover, you can enjoy different desserts of the countries, play ice-breaking games, listen to the unplugged music by SUT Music Band. Also, you can go around the club booths and even join them if you're interested in those. The Gearing event, which is usually held in the third trimester of the year, is a welcoming event of pre-engineers where you have to run with thousands of future engineers to get the gear. It will be tiring to run miles, but trust me, it's worth it. The path of engineers will be tiring and long, but you keep going and you will get to have the fruits you grow along the way. I think this is the message they want to give in this event, so do not forget to participate with your buddies when you are here. And SUT International Food Festival is also a highlight of the year where we celebrate the rich flavors and cultural diversity of the world. You can indulge in delicious cuisines from Myanmar, Thailand, Indonesia, Japan, Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, China, the USA, and even from India and Pakistan, experiencing unique tastes and traditional dishes. Beyond the food, enjoy mesmerizing performances showcasing the vibrant music, dance, and traditions of these nations. So, this festival is not just about food, it is a journey through culture, connection, and celebration. So, explore, taste, and enjoy this unforgettable experience. And also, are you a person who likes to enjoy sport events? Then this one is definitely to join again. The SUT Intercap, where you can participate to play various sports such as basketball, volleyball, football, and badminton, and last but not least, table tennis as well. You can compete in those various sports, showcasing your skills, determination, and team spirit. So, whether you're playing, cheering, or simply enjoying the atmosphere, this event is all about fun, friendship, and pushing your limits. And are you full of energy, love teamwork, and enjoy performing? Then a cheerleading club is perfect for you. Join the club to learn exciting routines, build confidence, and support teams with spirit and enthusiasm. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, there's a place for everyone. You can also be a part of a fun and dynamic team, cheer, jump, and make unforgettable memories together. Another one, looking for a fun, fast-paced sport that builds teamwork and keeps you active? Join the Frisbee Club. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this club welcomes everyone to learn, play, and compete in exciting ultimate Frisbee matches. You'll develop strong teamwork, make lasting friendships, and have the opportunity to represent our university in competitions. Together, we train, support each other, and strive to achieve prizes while enjoying the thrill of the game. Be part of the Frisbee Club and let's throw, run, and win together.
Thank you so much, Stella, for sharing us the facility as an international SUT student. So now I will proceed on the university facilities. And once again, hello everyone. So I'm excited to share with you incredible facilities that you as international students can enjoy at SUT. So let's dive in and start with one of the most important areas for students, our learning spaces. SUT provides a fantastic learning environment to make sure your academic experience enjoyable and productive. And our SUT library gives students access to vast amount of information, along with cozy study areas and silent corners for focused study. Plus, there are several library corners conveniently located near the dorms, ensuring you always have a quiet spot to hit the books. And speaking of dorms, SUT offers comfortable on-campus accommodations with excellent security so you can feel safe at home. There are plenty of dormitories to choose from, each designed to meet the diverse needs of the student community. SUT also cares deeply about student well-being. That's why we have the SUT Hospital and the PCU, where students can receive quality healthcare whenever needed, whether it's routine medical checkups or urgent care. These facilities are here to support you. Now, let's also talk about food. At SUT, students have access to university cafeterias conveniently located near the dormitories and classroom buildings. It's easy to grab a quick meal between classes or enjoy time with your friends over lunch. For getting around campus, SUT's More Transit is here for you. With an app available for both Android and iOS, you can track bus arrival times at your preferred stops, making transportation across campus quick and hassle-free. In SUT, we extensively give the students an excellent environment to learn by promoting fitness and health. The Sports and Health Center, or SHC, provides a range of facilities where students can train, play, and enjoy a healthy body. So let's dive in. First, if you want to stay physically fit and train your muscles, the SHC has a fitness gym every student that can use from Monday to Friday. The gym is well equipped to do various routines you have set for the day. Students can also enjoy the indoor pool, which is located in the same building as the fitness gym. With affordable entrance fees and membership, Students can refresh their bodies, especially during summer and hot weather. On the other hand, if you want to jive and groove your body along with the beat, you can join us in the Zumba room where we can dance with everyone for the same goal of being fit and maybe practicing our dancing skills. Aside from that, here are more facilities we can enjoy. NCT has various indoor and outdoor courts for many sports that everyone can use. From volleyball and badminton indoor courts to football, tennis, and gymnasiums, everyone is welcome to play, whether you're a beginner or a professional. These courts promote fun activities while building camaraderie with various people you play with. And what's impressive is that all these facilities are free and accessible to every SUT student. So even if you're not an athlete, you can still take part in sports and fitness activities as a way to balance your academic life and stay healthy. So as I mentioned, even if you're not a student athlete, you can still play these sports for free to be fit for your studies. Personally, as someone who enjoys sports, I find these facilities to be a huge benefit. They provide a much needed break from studying and help keep my mind and body fit. But it's not just about sports. SUT also offers beautiful places to relax and unwind. Like the tree tunnel and SUT Lake, these picturesque spots look like scenes from a movie and provide a peaceful space to enjoy the beauty of nature. So that's it for the university facilities we can enjoy as SUT students. I hope to see you soon at SUT as I really want to share these facilities with everyone. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you so much,
Patrick and
Patrick and
Stella,
Stella,
for
for sharing your experiences as MAE students at SUT. Your insights really give future students a glimpse of what it's like to be part of this vibrant and innovative community. From the state of the art engineering labs to exciting student organizations, we hope this session gives you a clearer picture of what to expect at SUT. Before we wrap things up, let's take a moment to get to know our speakers even better. We love to hear from our guests who share their experiences and insights.
All right. Once again, let's all welcome our speakers from MAE. All right, there they go, guys. So once again, good evening to you, everyone. So we've covered so much today, from student life to the perspective of a mechanical and aeronautical engineering student. But the best insights come from your personal experiences. Feel free to share your thoughts and answer a few questions from the hosts.
So I will have the first question, and it is, what inspired you to choose mechanical and aeronautical engineering field? So anyone can answer this question.
Oh, okay. I will answer this question first. For me, like since childhood, like I have always been fascinated by the machines and aircraft and spacecraft work, and I have always found myself drawn to the mechanic behind these movements. Like while watching airplanes take off or disabling my tries, like I disassemble my helicopter try to understand how they function. And I think that mechanical and aeronautical engineering combine the best of both worlds, the ability to design, analyze, and optimize mechanical systems, while also exploring the science of flight. And I want to contribute this innovation in aviation and engineering, and that's why I choose MAE.
All right, so how about the others?
I want to answer this question because I have a different story. Because honestly, like people in my community were wondering why I chose mechanical as a goal. Like they think it is not a good fit for a girl, but actually I am a girl who is happy with designing, calculations, and data. So I don't see any other options than mechanical. So I chose this major to study at SUT, and I feel like it's the right choice and decision for me in my life. Yeah.
I totally agree. Like, if you're an engineer, like the stereotype, like if you're a girl, you cannot be an engineer. But thank you for, showing bravery and having the courage to join MAE program. So, how about the others?
All right. So for me, I chose to major in mechanical and aeronautical engineering because of my deep passion for robots and airplanes. So since I was in high school, when I saw the robots, I could not help but go and try out them how they were made. I was so wonder and I want to know about this more. So the idea of designing and building machines that can move, fly, and even thinking about it excites me. So I want to explore the mechanics behind automation and aviation. So pushing the limits of innovation to create advanced, efficient, and sustainable technologies. Yes.
All right, truly, all your inspiring stories were truly one of a kind, and honestly, that drives the passion towards pushing forward on mechanical and aeronautical engineering field. So our next question is: we all have our interests. So what's the one aspect of MAE that you're dying to dive into, and why does it get you so excited to learn about this?
I want to answer this question again. Actually, there are many areas of interest for me in my major, but I have to find a blended one with all of my favorites in my major. But if I have to choose only one, it would be the mechanical drawing because I'm always happy when I have to draw with mechanical drawing tools. So after a long hours of drawing, my body might feel tired, but not my soul. It stay fresh, and I want to do more. So I love mechanical drawing, of course.
All right, mechanical drawing, especially for engineers, it's very fundamental to you guys to draw illustration. So how about the others? Any part of MAE that you wanted to explore?
Okay, so for me, the career aspect I would like to pursue is aerospace engineering. So it is fascinating because it pushes the boundaries of human innovation and exploration, right? So it combines physics, mathematics, and also cutting edge technology to create aircraft and spacecraft that defy gravity and travel at incredible speed. So the thrill of exploring the unknown, whether in the skies or beyond Earth's atmosphere, makes me feel truly is excited and inspired to dive in as a career for me. So yes.
Any other answer for this question? Okay. So for our next question, SUT offers incredible facilities for the student. Which one do you find most useful in helping you achieve your academic goals? Who wants to answer?
Oh, I love the question. Thank you so much. For this one, the one of the facilities that which is very beneficial for us students, I think for me is the library corners and the SUT library. They really offer us the environment to us to focus on our studies and do our group project. And they are also air conditioned, so they really provide you the whole care, so you can really focus on doing what you want to do. So I think that's it.
Any other
Answer
answer
for
for
that.
this question?
I can answer. And for me, I have different view from my junior. For me, one of the most useful facilities for me is the laboratory complex compound. They have a wide variety of advanced equipment that supports handle learning and research. It has robotic systems, CNC manufacturing machine, wind tunnels, 3D printing machines, and laser cutting machine and material testing equipment. There's lots of new equipment, and these two allow us to bridge the gap between theory and practice. And having access to these resources enhance my understanding and prepare me for the real-world engineering challenges.
All right, so since we talk about more on the facilities, so among all the facilities that you also have experience in SUT, what's one place that you cannot skip to visit and you would like to recommend for our aspiring scholars as well? Anyone?
I would like to add on my answer before Mike. So, among all the facilities that I have experienced, I will surely recommend the indoor pool. which our SHC offers. With just an entrance fee of 40 baht, you can experience a refreshing activity together with your friends. So personally, I have experienced it with my classmates after midterms exams, and it really is a good experience to have with them.
Definitely indoor pool from SUT Sports Center is especially refreshing during the summer season. So, how about the others? Do you have any place to recommend from our uh, aspiring scholars?
If not, we would move to another question, which is if you could collaborate on a project with students from other departments, what would it be and why?
I can take that question. I can think of the project that I can collaborate. For me, like I would like to collaborate with students from the civil or polymer engineering department. I can develop lightweight and high strength composite material for aircraft structure by with civil engineering student because like civil engineering plays a big role in structural analysis and material strength. While polymer engineering specializes in developing advanced material with improved durability and flexibility, by working together with them, we could design innovative composite that reduce aircraft weight, increase fuel efficiency, and enhance structural performance. This kind of project would not only advance aerospace engineering, but also contribute to sustainability by exploring eco-friendly materials for our future aviation.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much. And if I have the opportunity, I would like also to collaborate with the mechanical engineering students. So, any other answers for this question? Okay, okay.
Okay, so I think this will be our last question, partner. So let's turn in the tables a little bit for our speakers. So if you're going to describe your major in one word, what would it be? There's so many words in English vocabulary, but what would be, like best describes MAE for our aspirants? So anyone would start?
Alright, so I will take that question. So only for one word, it would be hard to describe, right? But for me, it's challenging, but fascinating at the same time. Because like engineering, for the subjects we study, is like even the fundamental subjects, we have to take a lot of time to understand how things are going on. So like it's kind of really challenging for me, but like still fascinating at the same time. Like you're tired, but you're still like had fun, like trying new things, learning new things. So that would be my answer.
So how about the
Okay.
others?
For me, in my opinion, a good word to describe mechanical and aeronautical engineering would be the word dynamic because it involves designing and analyzing systems that move, whether it's machinery or aircraft. And especially, there's no such static day if you are an MAE student. So everything is dynamic. Thank you.
So they're really, like proud to be an MAE student. So for our like viewers, let's check the comments. Oh, we have
Another
another.
question?
I think we should give the two speakers a
Oh,
chance to
sorry,
comment.
sorry.
We have sorry.
Okay, so for our two speakers, if you could describe MAE in one word, what would it be?
Um, I want to mention my program with only one word. Like Stella said, it's difficult to describe only one word. But from the bright side, I want to mention my program with the future because I can see my future in my program, and like it shapes my future to be better, and like it makes me. Improve every day, and like even though I have to face many challenges every day, but it still makes me improve. So I can see my better future in my program. So I want to describe my program with future.
Thank you so much, everyone, and I hope the aspirants will learn a lot of like information from this Q&A.
Once again, thank you so much to our MAE speakers, and we'll see you, some of you guys, maybe later on for our Q&A with our live audiences. Now, let's check our viewers and saying their comments, and you've got the floor, online viewers. Okay, let's see, what did they comment?
From Amagdala Hapitan, hello SCT. Hello also Tita from the Philippines.
All right, we have a comment from Ajan Wipoy Asaha. Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering, innovating on land, excelling in the sky. That's really true, partner, especially when they shapeshift into MAE these days. It makes their program dynamic. All right, keep the comment section. All right, keep your comments coming, guys, and our future engineers are definitely engaged. Keep those comments and questions coming with the hashtag SUT Open House Live 2025. We'll be back later to address them all.
Since we've covered what it's like to be an MAE student at SUT, now let's dive into what makes this program academically exciting. We have Sam, who will walk us through the key aspects of MAE curriculum, and he will break down the most exciting parts of the program, including core courses, hands-on projects, and cooperative education opportunities. Get ready to discover what makes MAE at SUT truly special. Let's welcome Sam.
Thank you so much for inviting me. Now I will go to the most exciting part, which is a sneak peek of what you will learn and study in Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering as our program highlight. I think some of you may want to know, like in our program, what you have to learn. I will break into three parts. Like in our program, both Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering students share a strong foundation in core engineering, such as like thermodynamics, statics, dynamics, vibration, mechanics of materials and machinery, fluid mechanics, manufacturing process, measurement and instrumentation. However, as we progress, each major divides into specialized courses. Aeronautical engineering students focus on topics like aerodynamics, aircraft structure, aircraft power plant, and flight mechanics, which are essential for designing and analyzing aircraft. On the other hand, mechanical engineering students study areas such as automatic control systems, machine designs, power plant, jig and feature design, preparing therefore a wide range of industries. Now we have covered the core structures of our program. Now I'm really excited to take to some of the amazing projects we have worked on. In our manufacturing process laboratory course, we have hands-on experience with various machining and fabrication techniques. Our project involved designing and manufacturing a functional mechanical components, which is a small engine as seen in the photo, using multiple machines in the lab. By using design drawing provided by the instructors, we shape the raw materials by using milling machine, drilling machine, and lathe machine. This hands-on experience approach not only enhances technical skills, but also teaches teamwork, precision, and problem-solving skills. Moreover, in our program, we integrate cutting-edge technology like the Internet of Things, IoT, and artificial intelligence (AI) to prepare students for the future of our engineering. In our IoT projects, we have to develop smart home systems using sensors to monitor temperature, humidity, motion, and energy usage, which enhance our convenience and efficiency in our home. On the AI side, we work on the designing projects that involve searching for polymers based on their properties. Using AI algorithms, we analyze material database to find polymers with specific characteristics like heat resistance, flexibility, or biodegradability. One of the most eye-opening experiences in our program was the field trip to SUT Hospital, where we explored the critical building system that keep the facility running and efficiently. We learned about the role of the boilers, which provide heating, chillers in cooling in large areas, and the complex water piping system that ensure proper function and distribution throughout the buildings. Back in my second years, like many of us hadn't realized how vital these systems were, but now we see that they are the heart of mechanical engineering. I gained a lot of experience shared by the quality control and the maintenance engineers working over there. This trip helped us connect theoretical concepts to real-world applications, showing how mechanical engineers contribute to essential infrastructure that support healthcare and other industries. In my third year, I also had the opportunity to dive deeper into refrigeration, air conditioning, and building design, which are the essential components of mechanical engineering. Learning about heat transfer, cooling system, and energy efficiency, I realized that those boilers, chillers, and water piping systems are the backbone of large buildings, ensuring comfort, safety, and efficiency. What once seemed like just another course now feels like a crucial part of engineering that thoroughly impacts everyday life. Moreover, in our heat transfer course, we work on the fascinating projects using a thermoelectric Peltier module to explore its heating and cooling effect. During this project, we had gone through different phases like design drawing, testing, and final result. To this project, we applied concepts of conduction, convection, and thermal efficiency to optimize the performance of the Peltier module. It was exciting to see this technology is used in real-world applications such as portable cooler and electronic device cooling. Next, in our industrial robotic course, we explore industrial robots like SCARA, EVP, articulated ant, and other robotic arms used in manufacturing and automation. The lecture covers key concepts such as kinematics, control system, and the different types of robots used in industry. But what makes this course truly engaging was the hand-on programming and practical exercise. We learn to program the robot movement, optimize their efficiency, and simulate real-world application in automation. Through these exercises, we gain valuable experience in robotic control, making us better people for the future of smart manufacturing and automation. Next is the course from my major is the aircraft structure course. In that course, while we had to learn lecture, moreover, we also explore 3D printing technologies and learning how is it aerospace manufacturing by enabling lightweight, complex, and durable components. We also study and tested different materials and their mechanical properties, gaining insight into how additive manufacturing is shaping the future of aircraft design. Besides, our hand-on projects focus on building an aircraft wing using lightweight material and testing its strength. We constructed the wing and evaluated its load-bearing capacity by suspending water bottles to simulate real-world stress conditions. This project helped us understand structural integrity, material selection, and the importance of weight optimization in aviation. Next, as a part of our Fundamental of Aeronautical Engineering course, our instructor took us to the field to fly drone and experience aerodynamic in action. First, we have to practice our skill by flying in a simulation. After that, we had a hand-on practice in controlling and flying the drone while observing around SUT in area vision. One of the most exciting experiences in our program was the free trip to the UAV lab, is the unmanned aerial vehicle, where we explored the latest development in unmanned aerial vehicle. We got to see various drone prototypes, learning about the design and drone pilot simulation processes. Okay, this is the final part of our student life. That is, before the internship, you have to face a capstone project. This is the pinnacle of everything we have learned throughout the program. But you have there are requirements to do the capstone project. To do the project, you must have to finish machine design for mechanical engineering and aircraft design course for aeronautical engineering. But it's an opportunity to apply our knowledge to a real-world problem. And for our capstone project, it can be from design competition, or your projects from the industry, or even your own idea. These projects allow you to work in teams. You can design from conceptual to prototype testing and showcase your engineering skill. Whether it's designing a new product, solving an engineering challenge, or innovating existing systems, the capstone project provides hands-on experience and prepare us for our career. It's a great way to demonstrate our technical expertise and problem-solving ability in practical setting. If you still think bachelor is not enough for you, we have numerous expanded research projects for master degree in SUT, and many more. Graduating from the Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering program opens up a world for career opportunity across various industries. For mechanical engineer, you can be the control and instrumentation engineer, product manager, business system engineer, or CAD manager, design engineer, or graduate study and researcher. For aeronautical engineers, you can be the flight test engineer, aircraft designer, man or man aircraft pilot, aircraft system designer, aerospace safety engineer, or you can do graduate study and researchers. We also have global partnerships from international universities around the world, such as Georgia Tech, United States, Tokyo University, Japan, National University of Singapore, University of Technology, Malaysia, University of Melbourne, Australia, and University in France. And another one is to highlight is teacher course in our university. This is from the one of the global partnership that is Particle Life Society, and the local chapter in Thailand was launched in 2023 with the chapter based as SUT. Yearly activities have been established, including annual short course in helicopter conceptual design with an invited professor from the University of Melbourne, Professor Abid Singha. In this course, we dive into the design principle and aerodynamics behind rotary wing aircraft, such as helicopters. The course also includes practical design projects where we apply theoretical knowledge to create a conceptual design project for a waterbombing helicopter for the firefighting. And the Thailand chapter is also appointed to host the third international conference in advanced air mobility in December 2025. And our program's alumni are making significant impact across the globe in various engineering fields. After graduation from the program, Mr. Naro would receive one graduate scholarship from SUT for his master's study. He is now conducting research at UAV Industrial Development and Intelligence System Research Unit at SUT. And also, during her time at SUT, Ms. Lisa had the incredible opportunity to participate in an exchange program in Korea, which broadened her global perspective and enhanced her problem-solving skills in mechanical engineering. Ms. Lisa has also been awarded the MEHD Japanese Government Scholarship 2025 intake through the embassy track. She enrolled under the Reaction Process Engineering Laboratory, Tohoku University. And also, for the internship opportunity, Ms. Panisan received the ASEAN Sea Scholarship to conduct her international cooperative education program at University of Victoria, Canada. For her cooperative education, she is now conducting a short-term research on 3D printed microneedle array for drug delivery. Last, this is the contact info to our Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering program. Feel free to contact the department, and thank you very much for your attention.
A big thank you to Sam for that insightful session. Your expertise and experiences have truly given us a deeper understanding of MAE courses. We hope this session has helped the aspirants see the incredible learning experiences waiting for them in your major.
Now let's talk about something just as important: how to secure a Royal Scholarship. To guide us through the process, let's welcome our next speakers, Patrick and Stella, and they will be sharing document preparation tips, interview strategies, and key insights to help you successfully apply for this prestigious scholarship.
Okay, so hello, it's Stella again. And so let me give you more information about scholarship application. So one of the first steps is to pay the application fee of $30 or 1,000 Thai baht. You can check the account number in the international admission website. Then please let me help you clarify the steps for the application. So for the requirements, you will need a copy of high school certificate or equivalent, for example, GED, and a copy of passport, a copy of standard English scores. It's optional, like if you have any like TOEFL, IELTS, or TOEIC, etc., you can submit those. If you have finished SAT, then you can put your scores in your application form as well. Then you might need to write a statement of purpose about why you want to study in SUT international programs, around 500 to 600 words. That's one thing. Another one, you have to answer the question, what is the most challenging thing in your life and what you did to overcome such obstacles? That one also around 500 to 600 words as well. Lastly, a short video which is around 1 to 2 minutes introducing yourself. So these are the documents and video you need to prepare to apply for the Riot Scholarship 2025. Okay, so before I conclude this session, let me remind you some of the important dates to mark in your calendar. The application deadline is on March 31, 2025. It is closing soon, so prepare ahead and submit your application before the deadline given. Then the selected candidates for online interview will be announced in early April 2025. You will also get an email as well, so do not forget to check your mailbox every day. For the interview date, it will be confirmed again, so it's crucial to check the page of CIA. And then the waiting period is over, and we will announce the successful candidates via Scholar Batch 2025 in May. So kudos to those chosen applicants ahead, and welcome to SUT. So to be a part of us, my friend Patrick will give you extra bonus tip and trick for the interview and essay. So let's welcome Patrick.
Okay, thank you so much, P. Stella, for those important information. So hello once again. At this juncture, I'll share some important tips and tricks for creating your self-introduction video and writing essays for your scholarship application. Let's make sure you put your best foot forward and avoid common mistakes. First up is the self-introduction video. This part of your application allows you to stand out and show who you are beyond the paperwork. So, here are a few do's and don'ts to keep in mind. Do keep it concise. You only have 1 to 2 minutes. So focus on your key points, introduce yourself, mention your achievements, and discuss your goals. And avoid going off topic or including unnecessary details. Do show your passion. This is your chance to show enthusiasm about your field of study and how the scholarship will help you reach your goals. Also, do prepare a script, but don't memorize it word for word. Practice until you sound natural and confident as if you're having a conversation. Next is don't over-edit. Fancy transitions and effects may be tempting, but they can distract from your message. Keep the editing clean and professional. Lastly, don't film in a noisy or cluttered background. Make sure your environment is tidy and quiet so the focus stays on you. Now, let's move on the essay part of your application. You'll be asked to write a statement of purpose and answer a personal question. Here's how you can approach each. For the first essay, the statement of purpose, the question is, why do you want to study in SUT international programs? First is you need to be specific. Again, research the program and explain why it fits your academic and career goals. Highlight particular elements of the program that excites you. Next is do connect the program to your future goals. Show the scholarship committee how this program will help you achieve your long-term objectives. Next is avoid being generic. Avoid vague statements like, I've always wanted to study abroad, but instead mention unique aspects of SUT international programs and how they align with your interests. Next, don't use overly complex language. Write clearly and concisely, ensuring your passion for the program shines through. For the second essay, you'll answer the question, what is the most challenging thing in your life and what you did to overcome such an obstacle? First, you need to choose a meaningful challenge. Pick something that genuinely impacted you either personally or academically. This should be a challenge that helped you grow in some way. And also focus on how you overcame it. Highlight the steps you took, the skills you developed, and the lessons you learned from the experience. Next, don't pick a trivial challenge. Avoid writing about something minor or insignificant. The committee wants to see resilience and personal growth. Also, don't dwell too much on the problem itself. Instead, focus should be on how you handle the challenge and what you learned, not on how difficult the situation was. And one last thing, don't rush. Take your time to review your video and essays before submitting. Proofread. It's your chance to showcase your unique abilities So make sure everything is polished. With these tips, I'm confident you'll create a compelling application. So now let's move on. After the application, students will be selected to proceed to the interview phase. So here are some quick tips to help ace your scholarship interview. For general questions, be ready to tell your story. Highlight your background and why this program is perfect for you. And make sure to connect your future goals to what the program offers. Show enthusiasm all the time, but stay natural. And don't sound too rehearsed. For technical questions like math and physics, review key concepts beforehand. If you're unsure, think out loud and explain your reasoning step by step. And also don't rush. Take your time to give accurate answers. Finally, stay calm and confident throughout the interview. Ask thoughtful questions about the program at the end, and remember that body language matters. Sit up straight, maintain eye contact, and smile. This will be the last tips and tricks. I wish everyone good luck during the application process. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you so much, Stella and Patrick, for those incredibly helpful Royal Scholarship tips. All right, everyone, we're entering the final stretch, and we want to give our viewers one last chance to ask some burning questions. It's time for a quick Q&A with our MAE student folks.
This is your moment, online community. If you have any question, please drop it, and remember to use hashtag SUT Open House Live 2025 to make sure we see them.
Time to shine the spotlight on you, our online audience. Let's dive into your questions and see what's on your mind. Any of our presenters are ready to share their insights. All right, let's go with our first question.
For our first question from Tina, what is the hardest course so far that you guys faced during the first and second years? Hashtag SUT Open House Live 2025.
I want to answer this question. To mention the hardest course so far for me is the course to learn the programming languages with microcontrollers, because it takes time to understand and a little bit like challenging to write codes by ourselves in the very short time. What I mean by very short time here is we have to do some tasks, for example, within 10 minutes for the quiz of like for both wiring and code. So at the time, I was overwhelmed and it became the hardest course for me ever, like first year and second year. Yeah.
Uh, as a senior, I want to give encouraging message to my juniors about the hardest courses. For me, I'm weak in civil engineering courses like first we have to learn statics, mechanical materials. They're not that hard, but I'm weak. But after that, in third year, you are going to face the vibration course. I think that is the most difficult one because it's for the maintenance engineer, like where you have to inspect the machines about what kind of vibration they are making, and you have to analyze like what are the defects, and it's really challenging in lecture too. The lectures are really hard and calculations are really hard. So fighting guys, good luck.
Anyone wants to answer? Anyone?
I can add more on that. So thank you so much for my seniors for giving me some sort of note. Still, I'm a first year student, so maybe the vying applicants can relate to my information that I will share. So as a first year student, I am still taking the foundational courses. So far, courses under the basic engineering courses, specifically the calculus and physics courses, were included among the hardest courses I've faced so far, as they really require intensive focus, understanding, critical thinking in solving problems related to the taught concepts.
All right, we heard them partner about what's the hardest in MAE. So let's dive into our next question from our live audience. All right, we have a question from Mr. Justin Earl at Pitan. After a long academic day, what do you guys do during your free time? Anyone can answer.
Okay, so after a long day of class, I usually go to the gym, or else I will go to the SUT lake and run around the lake, or I will take rowing sometimes. And after that, I review my lessons, and then I go around with my friends at Gate 4 to have dinner and have some chit chat so that it can relax my mind, and watch some Netflix with them together, and spending time with your friends after a great long day of studying is one way to relax your mind. So that's my kind of relaxation. Yeah.
Okay, I will answer this question too. So, as a first year student, I think I have the most free time compared to my seniors. So, I can do some activities. So, during my leisure time, want to unwind through various ways like playing sports. As I've mentioned, the facilities are really well equipped. So I play in my time like volleyball and badminton with my seniors together with them. And also going to food trips, as mentioned by T. Stella, there are a lot of food shops at Gate 4, and you should not really miss out Thai cuisines as they really give you the spice you need for the day.
Truly, definitely, they will give the spice in Thai food in Gate 4, especially it's an cuisine, right, partner?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's so
so like
like
spicy.
spicy that I cannot handle it. So for our next question from Wana, what software do mechanical engineers use for designing? So I think seniors can answer for this part.
I will answer first, and my senior will add if I need more information. Okay, as a second year student, as far as I learn for the software, for the mechanical engineers, we learn about the AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and CATIA for designing, and I also learned the Fusion 360 by myself. So as far as I know, actually there are many software we can use, but for the mechanical engineers, we can use the software I mentioned earlier. So if you know them and use them well, you are one of the top mechanical design engineers in your workplace after you graduate. So yeah.
I think that you have to learn while designing. Actually, there is one software that I'm now attending the aircraft design course. Actually, there will be one software that you have to use while doing aircraft design, but I haven't learned about it yet. But I heard that it's a VFS design to software to design the aircraft design. And apart from that, while you design, you mostly do with SolidWorks. So SolidWorks is the software that you have to be expert at while you are in mechanical engineering.
Thank you so much for that answer.
All right, let's dive into our next question from our live audience. So, from Mr. Marwin Carion, what hands-on projects or labs can students expect in the mechanical and aeronautical engineering programs? That's a good question, partner. Yes. So, anyone could answer, guys.
Okay, so I think some of the projects and labs I've already highlighted in course highlight. But to think more like in the laboratories that you will face like wind tunnels that they have many pumps that you have to study like pump characteristics and the fluid flow and about the piping system and the pressure loss in pipes, and also you have to learn briefly about the 3D printing. And for the projects, like for me, the most important project for me is the EcoStructure project. Like you have to buy the materials, you have to arrange the badges by yourself to make the project, and also like most of the projects like you have to think the design by yourself and do it. So it is really challenging. You can expect to face many challenging design projects or practical projects or lab here at SUT.
Thank you so much, Sam, for that. I think the aspirants will be excited for the upcoming labs that they will have. So for our next questions, do we have it? From Andrew, where do MAE students do internships after graduations? I think the senior again will answer this question.
Yeah, I will take this question. Like for me, like as I am searching, I will do internship in coming months, like in the second term of the fourth year. So I have already searched some of the jobs description to do internship. Like for aeronautical specialization, in Thailand we have senior aerospace, like they manufacture aircraft structure. So you can be the engineer in doing the agriculture. So and also if you are interested in composite materials, there is like carbon aerospace in Thailand. So you can also do about the composite material. Moreover, if you are interested in engines, there are many companies and internship opportunities to do like turbofan or turbojet engines. And also, if you are interested in mechanical engineering, we have many companies in Thailand to do internship, and you can seek the advice from the instructor. So you don't need to worry about the internship. So there are lots of jobs to do in Thailand.
Definitely, like MAE is one of the biggest career paths that you can take, especially for internships here in SUT. So for our last question from the live audience, we have from Tina. Is it hard to communicate with foreign students from in your class? Hashtag SUT Open House Live 2025. Anyone can answer, guys.
I want to answer first for this question. For me personally, communicating with foreign students is not very hard because all international students at SUT are able to communicate in English. So if you cannot speak Thai very well, so don't worry, they can communicate and they can communicate in English because for my Thai friends, they are friendly and they are happy to communicate in English. So and I have a bonus information for you. Like you can also learn the foreign languages from our classmates. Like we have the Philippines, Cambodians, and other international students. So you can also learn these languages. So yeah, so it's not very hard.
Yes, I definitely agree with P. Pansu that it's not really that hard to communicate with other foreign students. As a sole Filipino scholar in our batch, barrier can be avoided, but it's not to the point that it will hinder the learning process. As every textbooks and every lessons are taught in English, it is really easy to understand for us international students, and also communicating. Don't worry about making some connections with other nationalities because they are also very welcoming. As I mentioned, as the sole Filipino student here in this batch, I have made lots of friends from Thailand, and also from Myanmar, even though there is language barrier with us. So there are still opportunities for us also to learn their wonderful language.
Thank you so much for answering the question, Pansu and Patrick. So we will have our one last comment from Ajanipo Usaha. MAE program has a strong international partnership with more exciting collaborations to come.
And yes, definitely agree, partner, because as what you can see, it's truly evident for our MAE scholars and also students to go beyond borders, whether they go Western countries or also do internships outside the country as well. All right, and there you have it, folks. SUT is an incredible opportunity to unlock your potential. The future truly starts here.
What an incredible journey we've explored tonight. Hearing our speakers share their experiences as royal scholars truly highlights that FTT is more than just a place for our academics.
It's a community that feels like home, shaping futures and lifelong connections. A huge thank you to all of you being part of this inspiring lesson.
Absolutely, SUT isn't just a university, it's where innovation, sustainability, and opportunity collide. Our mechanical and aeronautical engineering students are living proof of that. So if you're ready to be part of something bigger and making a lasting impact, SUT is the place for you.
A big shout out once again to our fantastic speakers from the Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering program. You have given us a clear picture of what makes this program so exciting. And to all international viewers, don't hesitate to reach us out. Feel free to ask questions in your own language and share your thoughts with us.
မင်္ဂလာပါဟို SUT Scholar ကိုရှောက်ကြမယ်ဒီညမှာလေးခွေမှလည်းငါတော့ရှောက်ကြည့်တာပါဒါကောင်းတဲ့အခွင့်အရေးတစ်ခုလို့ထင်ပါတယ်ဒီမှာ Mechanical and Aero ကအခွင့်အလမ်းတွေများပါတယ်ပြီးတော့ကျွန်တော်ဒီ program ပါဆိုသင်ရတာတွေကဟိုအရန်တော့များပါတယ်ဟိုနေပယ်လေးစုံပါတယ်အဲ့လိုစုံတာကအရန်တော့ specify မဖြစ်ပြင်မဲ့ဘာကောင်းလဲဆိုတော့ဒီ carry ကျောင်းပြီးသွားလို့ရှိရင်ရွေးချယ်စရာအခွင့်အလမ်းတွေအများကြီးရှိပါတယ် mechanical မှာပဲလုပ် aero မှာပဲလုပ် HVAC system refrigeration manufacturing ဘယ်ဟိုသွားအဆင်ပြေမှာပါပြီးတော့ဒီကလေတက်ကူကောင်းတစ်ခုပါ internship opportunity တွေအများများပါတယ်နိုင်ငံခြားသွားချင်ရင်လည်းလွယ်ပါတယ်ကျောင်းပြီးရင်လည်းလောက်ရပါရခိုင်တော့များပါတယ်အဲ့တော့ SUT Royal Scholarship ကကောင်းတဲ့အခွင့်အရေးတစ်ခုဖြစ်လို့ရှောက်ကြည့်ကြပါလို့တိုက်တွန်းချင်ပါတယ်ဗျာကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်
Okay, so မင်္ဂလာပါဆိုတော့ခုနအခုပြောရလို့ပဲဒီ scholarship ကိုချဖို့အကြံပေးပါတယ်ပြီးတော့တကယ် mechanical နဲ့ aeronautical ဘိုင်းအထူးသဖြင့် aeronautical ဘိုင်းကိုစိတ်ဝင်စားရတဲ့အတွက်လက်မလွတ်တဲ့ခွင့်ရကောင်းတစ်ခုလို့ထင်တယ်ပေါ့နော်ဆိုတော့ရှောက်ကြပါပြီးတော့ဒီမှာအခွင့်အရေးအများကြီးရှိရပေါ့နော်စူးစမ်းတော့ရှာရင်ရှာတော့ခွင့်ရရှိရလောက်ကန်ခွင့်လန်းဖြစ် master ဘာညာဆက် join ချင်တာဖြစ်ဆိုတော့ yes ဒီကနေပြီးတော့ကျူးဆိုနေပါတယ်လို့
မင်္ဂလာပါနော်အဲ့တော့ဒီ live ကိုကြည့်နေတဲ့မောင်လေးညီမလေးတွေရောအကိုတွေမကြီးလည်းပါချင်ပါမှာပေါ့နော်အကုန်လုံးဒီ SUT ကိုလာဖို့ဖိတ်ခေါ်ရပေါ့နော်ဘာလို့လဲဆိုတော့ဒီအမဆိုလို့ရှိရင်ပေါ့နော်အမလိုပဲပြောလိုက်မယ်အမဆိုလို့ရှိရင်မြန်မာမှာလည်း mechanical ပဲတက်ခဲ့ရပါပေါ့နော်အဲ့တော့ဒီမှာ mechanical တက်တာနဲ့ဒီမှာ mechanical တက်တာနဲ့experience ကမတူလို့ခံစားရတယ်ပေါ့နော်ဘာလို့လဲဆိုတော့ဒီမှာကအများကြီးသင်ရတယ်ဒီမြန်မာမှာမသင်ခဲ့ရတဲ့ဘာသာကြီးလည်းဒီမှာအများကြီးသင်ခဲ့ရတာဆိုတော့လေနော်အဲ့တော့မြန်မာမှာထက်ဒီမှာဆိုလို့ရှိရင်အခွင့်အရေးတွေပိုရတယ်ပြောလို့ရှိရင်ခုန Stella တို့ဒီ Sam တို့ပြောခဲ့တယ်လို့ပဲအခွင့်အရေးတွေအများကြီးရှိရပေါ့နော်ကိုစူးစမ်းတဲ့လောက်အများကြီးလုပ်ပိုင်ခွင့်လည်းရှိရလုပ်ခွင့်လည်းအခွင့်အရေးလည်းရှိရ supporting လည်းရှိရပေါ့နော်အဲ့ဒါကြောင့်ဒီ scholar ကိုရှောက်ဖို့ဒီ SUT ကိုရှောက်ဖို့စဉ်းစားနေရဆိုလို့ရှိရင်အခုပဲရှောက်လိုက်ပါလို့ဒီလာမယ့် academic year မှာတွေ့ကြမှာလေလို့ဟုတ်
Ayan, mabuhay at lalo na sa mga nanonood dyan na mga Pilipinong estudyante na nagka-graduate ngayong and also our upcoming college. Maraming oportunidad sa Pilipinas. We know that there are lots of scholarships, the USC scholarships, and also a lot of scholarships that are offered in both government and private, diba? But I think SUT Royal Scholarship ay isa sa mga oportunidad na dapat natin i-grab since it really provides us lots of connections and also given the work opportunity na makukuha natin, especially here in Thailand, where engineering is where Thailand is a highly specialized in engineering. So we are really appreciated as engineers here. And for that, I just want you to motivate. I want to motivate you to be one of us, maging isa sa mga Royal Scholars, that this opportunity is a really good for everyone, especially like us who wants to study abroad. Thank you.
All right, and that's a wrap on tonight's Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering Spotlight. Got more questions? We're just a click away on social media. Don't hesitate to get in touch and don't forget to register for the open house. The link and QR code are right there on your screen and in the comments section down below.
The Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering program is full of incredible opportunities for those ready to explore cutting-edge technology, aerospace innovations, and hands-on experiences. This is our last episode of SUT Open House Live 2025, and we really saved the best for last, diving into everything that makes this program really special.
Registration for SUT Royal Scholarship 2025 are still open for grabs, folks. So if you want to be like us, Never fear failure, and one day you might be here unlocking your fullest potential. Once again, it's my pleasure working with Center for International Affairs for having me here and be part of SUT Open House Live for 4 consecutive years. To all the crew and speakers that are here with us for 4 weeks, you guys were truly exceptional. This might be my last time seeing you online, and we might never know what the future holds, but always remember, your dreams will always be valid if you believe in yourself. You'll never be denied, but only redirected. I will be your forever Open House Live correspondent, full of gratitude, Mike Ryan Palma Era.
It's truly an honor to be part of this year's open house, and I'm so excited to meet all of you guys in this coming academic year. A big thank you to the CIA and for the trust and for the support. This is Christina Isabel Gonzalez, filled with anticipation for what lies ahead.
And this is SUT Open House Live 2025 last episode.
Stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey. Until next time, and I hope to see you soon, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Good luck.
Rapidly evolving technology has led to the creation of diverse innovations, modernizing our way of life. New knowledge can emerge at any moment, accessible to everyone whenever they need it. At SUT, we are committed to delivering education in science and technology to shape the future workforce, building on a foundation of academic excellence. Our students benefit from learning with professional faculty and gaining hands-on experience in state-of-the-art laboratories. They also enhance their soft skills through a variety of activities, all within our green and clean university environment.
Innovate the future. Innovate the future.
Additionally, our cooperative education program and work-integrated education ensure that students are well prepared for their future careers. New curricula are being developed to meet societal needs, embracing the concept of lifelong learning. Learners of all ages can study without limitations through modern digital platforms, earn certificates, and store their academic records in the university's credit bank system. At SUT, we foster and develop entrepreneurial skills by offering opportunities to learn and apply university knowledge and intellectual property to create innovations. This not only enhances the potential of existing entrepreneurs, but also nurtures new ones, driving positive economic and social impact. Leveraging our deep expertise in science and technology and strong collaborations with the government and industry, SUT stands as a leading research university, consistently delivering high-impact research outcomes. SUT's knowledge, technology, and innovations have been applied to address national challenges. The university is committed to being a reliable pillar of society, both regionally and nationally, by connecting with all stakeholders to meet their needs and tangibly improve the quality of life for thy people. We also organize projects that foster international collaboration, partnering for sustainable development in all dimensions. SUT has achieved continuous growth and development, upholding principles of integrity, transparency, and ethics in all areas. We foster modern organizational management systems and create a high-quality working environment, paving the way for collaborative excellence in management. Embracing our SUT pride values, SUT is dedicated to being a university of innovation and sustainability, building a bright future for all through knowledge, technology, innovation, and strong collaboration.
Innovate the future. Innovate the future. Innovate the future.
SUT will continue to lead in driving positive change and creating a sustainable impact on the world.
Innovate the future. Innovate the future. Innovate the future.